When severe weather strikes, your roof is often the first line of defense, and the first to take the hit. Hail, high winds, and heavy rain can leave behind more than just a few missing shingles. Clinton Township roofing experts understand how devastating storm damage can be for homeowners, and they bring skill, precision, and empathy to every repair. Here's how local professionals handle storm-related roofing challenges to restore safety, comfort, and peace of mind. Rapid response and initial inspection time is crucial after a storm. Clinton Township roofing teams respond quickly to emergency calls, ensuring that damage doesn't worsen. They begin with a comprehensive roof inspection, assessing visible and hidden issues such as missing, cracked, or dented shingles, damaged flashing or gutters, leaks or water infiltration in the attic, structural issues from wind uplift or fallen debris, using advanced tools like moisture meters, drones, and thermal imaging. These experts accurately document the extent of the damage. This detailed evaluation helps homeowners understand what needs immediate attention and what can be scheduled later. Temporary protection and emergency repairs. If a storm leaves your home exposed, Clinton Township roofers act fast to prevent further deterioration. They apply temporary tarps, sealants, or emergency patching to cover exposed areas. This step protects the interior from leaks, mold growth, and water damage until permanent repairs are complete. These quick measures not only stabilize your roof but also help protect your insurance claim. Proper documentation of the temporary work shows your insurer that you took immediate action to minimize losses. Insurance claim assistance. Filing an insurance claim can be one of the most stressful parts of storm damage recovery. Fortunately, experienced roofing contractors in Clinton Township often assist homeowners through the entire claims process. They provide detailed inspection reports and photos for claim documentation, expert repair estimates aligned with insurance standards, direct communication with adjusters to ensure fair assessments. This hands-on support helps you avoid underpaid claims or unnecessary delays, making sure you get the compensation needed for proper restoration. Comprehensive roof restoration. Once the claim is approved, the roofing experts begin full-scale repairs or replacement. Their goal is not just to restore your roof to its previous condition but to make it stronger and more resilient against future storms. Depending on the extent of the damage, this phase might include replacing damaged shingles or underlayment, installing new flashing and ridge vents, repairing gutters and downspouts, strengthening structural components, upgrading to wind-resistant or impact-rated roofing materials. Local experts are well-versed in Michigan's weather patterns, so they recommend durable materials designed to handle the area's seasonal extremes. Final inspection and long-term prevention. Before closing out the job, Clinton Township roofers perform a final quality inspection to ensure every detail meets safety and performance standards. They check for proper sealing, ventilation, and alignment, ensuring your home is fully protected. Many also provide preventive maintenance plans, including regular inspections and seasonal upkeep. These proactive services help detect potential issues early, saving homeowners from costly repairs down the line. Why local expertise matters. Choosing a local roofing company means you're working with professionals who understand Clinton Township's specific weather challenges and building regulations. They're nearby when emergencies happen and stand by their workmanship with strong warranties and customer support. Local roofers also build lasting relationships with their clients, because they're not just contractors, they're neighbors. Their reputation relies on trust, reliability, and high-quality service. Final thoughts. Storm damage can be stressful, but with the right help, recovery doesn't have to be overwhelming. Clinton Township roofing experts bring years of experience, advanced tools, and genuine care to every project. From emergency response to full restoration, they ensure your home is safe, secure, and ready for whatever nature brings next. When storms strike, don't wait. Contact your trusted local roofing professionals for fast, reliable, and professional storm damage repairs that restore both your roof and your peace of mind.